Welcome to Hands on Science, where if you ever just need something to do, this is the place to be. This is Carr.
And this is Mel. Mel, are you ready for our activity today?
I am ready.
Awesome. Now, before we begin, it's always important that we
ask permission.
Right, especially because we're going to be using a glass cooking pan from the kitchen. So we've got our glass cooking pan, we've got a towel underneath just in case. We've got some Expo brand dry erase pens, and we've also got some warm water. So I'm going to take a pen. Mel, you can take yours. I'm just going to make like some interesting swirly marks. If you want to draw like a stick man, we'll have a stick man on your side and we'll have weird swirly zigzags on mine.
My stick man will be waving at you.
Okay.
You got a lot of swirlies there.
I got a lot of swirlies.
I just got one man.
Before my pen gave out on me. So I'm going to take this warm water and I'm going to pour this warm water slowly into the bottom of this pan. Hey Mel, what's happening with my swirlies?
I see something happening with your swirlies. It seems to be moving around.
They are. They're moving around.
Oh, look at my man. It's dancing. Do you see him dancing?
It definitely looks like he's dancing. All of that dry erase has lifted up.
Almost did a backflip.
Off of that pan.
Right. He is dancing.
And so...
Whoops. I think his head's a bit to the side.
Yeah, he's fallen over a little bit.
He's fallen down.
So now what we can do is if I was to take my hand, and now the water is warm, it's not hot, and so it's comfortable to touch.
Wow.
All of that dry erase just lifts right off.
I'll try my man. Let's see if I can lift my man. Oh, I got some of it.
You got some of him, but not all of him.
Not all of them.
Why do you think this works, Mel? Why do you think that warm water made that dry erase ink come right off that pan?
Does it have something to do with the chemicals that are in the dry erase pen?
And I know when I use a dry erase pen on a board, on a whiteboard, well, it's called a dry erase pen because I can just wipe it off real easy. I would think that the dry erase will come off the pan easy, but I'm not sure why the water makes it float like that.
I have no idea.
Anyway, guys, tell us what you think in the comments below. If you like this activity, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. You can find this activity and so much more at midnightscienceclub.com. We'll see you next time right here on Hands on Science. Bye, guys.
Bye.